Dropbox. Once you are done with your research, you can save your completed research in the research box. Click on the top left download icon on the corner of the document, create the latest folder and start saving up all your documents. In addition to this, you can mark some of your most referred documents as favorites. You can add bookmarks to each document by clicking on the bookmark icon next to it. You can also add notes to each document for your team members by clicking on the sticky notes icon. Now, accessing your research is super easy. Click on the research box icon on the top right, select the folder name that you created and you can access it. If you have an account on Dropbox.com, which is a cloud to save your work, you can synchronize all your research work. Just click on the synchronizing icon on the top right of the document. This will sync all your saved research on Dropbox.com and save it automatically to your system, making it easy for you to share it with your teammates.